In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect email addresses in Tally and get submission notifications. First, open your browser and go to Tally. Then log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, click on My Workspace. This is where all your forms live. Choose the form where you want to collect email addresses. If you're following along with an existing form, make sure it's the correct one so the changes apply where you expect. Inside the form editor, we're going to add an email field. Click into the spot where you want it to appear, then press the / key on your keyboard. That opens Tally's block menu. Start typing email and select the email field from the list. Using the dedicated email field is important because it automatically validates the format, helping prevent typos like missing the @ symbol. Next, give the field a clear label so people know exactly what you're asking for. Something straightforward like email address works well. You can also add placeholder text, such as name@example.com, to show the expected format. If you want, add a short description beneath the field to explain why you're collecting emails, like, "We'll only use this to send updates." This builds trust and can improve completion rates without changing the core setup. Now make the field required so no one can submit the form without entering a valid email. Look for the required option in the field settings and turn it on. With this set, Tally will block submissions until a properly formatted email is provided, reducing incomplete or unusable entries. To get notified when someone submits the form, go to the top of the editor and open Settings. Find notifications and toggle them on. This ensures you'll receive an email to the address associated with your Tally account every time a response comes in. If you don't see notifications come through the first time you test, check your spam or promotions folder and mark them as important so future alerts land in your inbox. That's it. You've added a validated, required email field and enabled submission notifications. Save your changes, and you're ready to collect emails confidently. As a quick tip, keep your form concise and your language friendly, and let respondents know what they'll receive after signing up. This small clarity boost often leads to better response rates. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Tally.